Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to our channel Yunus 100. So this video is to go for the maintenance of this bike. So I'll be changing the engine oil, the petrol filter, which you can see here. This petrol filter is not functioning proper, and I see there's petrol leakage on this. So I'll be changing it, and I'll be changing the engine oil. So if possible, we'll be cleaning the air filter as well. So my choice of engine oil is Motul 3100. So there's nothing particular about this engine oil, it's just that I've been using this for a while and I trust this oil. And along with that, you can see the petrol filter here, which I'll be putting on this bike. Along with that, just a little shout out: always wear a mask and use sanitizer when you should. Hey guys, you can see this is the air filter box, and I'm taking off the carburetor to see if there's any waste, any waste or dirt that is blocking the petrol flow. So you can see there's not much dirt here. Here you can see the dirt, right? Yep. Yes, we highly recommend you to get this done through a mechanic itself. Since my brother is a bit technical and he knows how this stuff works, he's cleaning this for me. So guys, we have cleaned this air filter through air blower, so on both the sides, and we have also used the same blower to clean off the dirt from this carburetor. Post that, we have cleaned this with using petrol, and now that this is being assembled back again. So we put back the carburetor and we have put back the air filter. You know that this is not the ideal way to put the oil, but yeah, let's just go with it. We are professional amateurs. So this holds around 700 ml of oil. So we've put now 500 and we'll be adding another 200 ml to it. So we're adding another 200 ml to it. So let's start the bike and check. Petrol on.